The mini Growler. The newest Growler from Divo knives. It's mini. Yeah, Growler's been my favorite design of theirs. I like the tall blade shape. This one's bronze anodized titanium, 154 cm blade. Yeah, awesome. It's just as cool as the bigger ones. I'll have to go grab those. But yeah, this looks cool. I like the black wash on the blade. I kind of like that better than a coating like DLC or PVD or whatever it's called. Yeah, I think that looks cool. This is sweet. Little Growler. Endure XM18. It's not super small. It's quite a bit smaller than what I usually carry, but I really kind of like the size of this. I'll have to get my other ones for comparison. Alright, so here we have the original Growler. This is in my Carta. I don't remember the blade. Steel, I think 154 cm. I kind of polished it up a little extra. It's all shiny. It's got the solid clip on it. Here's the new mini Growler. It's a little bit smaller. Let's see. I also have the Growler V2. It's the Growler V1. And the V2, they kind of shorten the hole a little bit. Because people were complaining about the hole. They were like sticking their finger all the way in the hole, having trouble opening it. Like, I don't know who opens a knife like that. You can just put your finger a little bit in the hole and do it. If you do it all the way in the hole, just a little bit. I mean, yeah, so they help those people out who jam their finger all the way in the hole. They made it safer so they can't get stuck. They won't get stuck in that hole, you know. But yeah, they added a little swedge here, jimping all the way across the top. And they also made it a teeny bit shorter than the V1. Yeah, maybe like almost a 1/4 inch shorter than the V1. This one's carbon fiber. Pretty sweet. And they went to the wire clip on these. Wire clip on the mini. So there's the mini and the V2. Very cool design. Yeah, I was wishing they'd Did a titanium version of these. Would have bought that. They did a titanium version of the Mini. That's awesome. Something fell. Yeah, hopefully they do a full-size titanium soon. That'd be killer. Everything's just shrunken down a little. Mini Growler. They got the swedges and the same blade shape, just smaller. V2 full grip. Choke up here if you want. Mini, you can grip it. Almost 4. 3.5 fingers on it. Yeah. I ended up with a good V1. Some people had trouble with them. Mine's good. V2, even awesomer. V Mini. Yeah, this thing's really cool. Look forward to carrying this around. I do carry some smaller knives. I'm carrying a big knife. I always have the McB with me. It's quite a bit bigger than McB. A lot of the times I carry this guy too. Little Native. It's a little bit bigger than Little Native. Yeah. Handle size is about the same. Little Natives, man, about a 1/4 inch shorter. Yeah, these are good size for the smaller knives. Anyway, Mini Growler, awesome. Titanium, it's got some milling in there. Inset liner, liner lock. 154 cm, super sharp. Very cool. Here it is. Thanks for watching.